Just want to sand pit. Ready? For what? For dogs?
Okay, okay. Look, they said don't allow pets, right?
Yeah. Then cut them to dogs.
Yeah, they play the thing.
Daddy? Are they gonna clean it so that later on the kids can play there? How do they clean it though? Yeah. Wait, I want a bike.
Oh, they're here. Below there.
Wait, do they have 4 bikes?
They have 3 bikes and 1. Huwag yung patuloy mo.
The boy. Oh, nice. The boy is born. Collect.
Okay.
Oh, we can't go here later because there's so many fire. Look, there's those, little flowers falling down on the tree. It's gonna go before there's like this. Now don't want to see this.
Daw? Grabe yan. Pinaka na ito.
I know.
Oh, that was your food. Like it, right?
Okay. So now we're going to another playground. There's another playground there. Another playground. Oh. It's gonna be a baby.
Hold this music video. Bilang sa'yo ka.
Yeah, you can use me now.
You can edit it up there. Let's see my video. Cut.
Get the much more. Wait, I think the smaller playgrounds. May dapat, are we getting sweaty? Yeah, my feet is getting sweaty. I'm gonna go here. What's our blondies? Daddy, there's almost people here are blonde. Well, the parents might not look blonde, the babies look blonde. Or genetics. Daddy, let's go to the nearby playground. Yeah, then we can put Rush on the swing. Rush is a picture of you. And mommy. The basketball court and the soccer field.
And also the
Little water park there.
oh, look,
There's another baby. Good morning. Yes. Oh, I feel bad for us. Most of the babies here already have hair.
it's okay, you're not left out. It's okay, but it's your fault.
So you can walk the dog here, but not in the playground there.
Why do you think it's not like you're not bold spot, you can just miss out. It's bold.
Daddy, earlier this morning when I went out, there was just playing sounds. That's a train? Oh, it's a train. There's a train there. Let's see. Little things moving by the train. Daddy, but I thought the other playground was over there. Huh. I did not kill you. Oh, no, doggy. So most of the time here, they just set up their babies and let them walk around for this morning.
So next is the police will come.
They're just going to come just like us.
And they will become dangerous. They don't.
So Daddy's car is officially on the bagel. I feel bad for Bola that she couldn't come because you have to ride the airplane out of the ship. There are nice cars over here. There's the red ones. Oh, he's just brand new. So it's like, oh, so how old? 10 years? Wait, older than Bola? Oh, bagel, Daddy's car. Yeah, 2 years. Because Daddy, Bola's gonna become 3 years old now. After this year. Well, she's satisfied even though she's not wearing a seatbelt. Oh, the playground is here. Oh. We can go on this one later in the afternoon. It's not dark. I said that, you know.
That's not allowed. Nobody wants to know. No, why can't you?
Okay, let's put Rush on the baby swing. Yeah. Okay. Want to stay here, Zach? Yeah. So we accidentally turned off the phone.
Okay, boss. Kasi kailangan ko matugwa. Sino? Kasi palang magpalang din kung paano niya.
Daddy, let's go to the other playground. This is like a little sand pit. Mika, you don't stand in the middle, Mika. There's like supposed to be several people that goes up here. Mika, no, not like that. Yeah, Mika will fall.
Hold on, let's go in this swing. There's no swing. Come on.
Wait, Mika, I'm gonna go to Daddy. touch the sand here.
How did we turn this into sand? Oi, 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 oi. This is good. Come on, let's go see some other stuff there. There's more stuff there.
Okay, wait, let's see.
Oh. You're so mean. Again, let's do this again. Easy.
Wait, Mika, show how you slice, okay?
Oh, that was hot. You're not doing the video properly. You video me.
Okay, fine.
You're not vlog.
Mika, you park on your head again and again now.
Sweetie, this side is hot, so let's go there. Come on.
Wait.
Ay!
Bye. Good morning, goodbye.
Nananig si Rosh of stroller.
Alam na, kinukutin na. Jimmy, kapasang mo tayo ni Rosto. Dahil sa anak. Iba din siya.
Oh no. Rosh doesn't make the stroller, he's not anad.
Ayun na lang, ipag ko na-absorb sa natin.
Let's go to the playground. So, it's like at Christmas time already of the year, so it's quite cold here. Rosh, your turn.
Morning.
Since it's like cold season here, it's really cold at this type of time, but at the summer it's gonna be really cold. No! Here, have it back. Rosh, you should wear your hat, but it's really cold. Say hi, Mika, that we're in Dubai. Because he doesn't want to wear his hat, he always wants to remove it. So we're just walking around today.
When there's no tubig, he doesn't put the
The nipple, yeah, he wants to. There's their playground. You can see it over there. They have a very nice, sunny, they have a very nice neighborhood. And they maintain cleanliness, that's one thing I like.
He doesn't do that. He's big.
Mika, you're the one to post it.
Kita get this bottle.
So, wait, yeah, they have the thing for the baby, where they can put the baby in the swing. So they're putting Rush in the stroller.
You ready, baby Rolos?
Where'd that go, the bottle? Mika, stop blocking the way. So we're trying to put the Rush on the stroller.
You want
Give him something. Give him something to play. So that
He likes the cover. The cover is doing something for him.
Say hi, Dubai. Hi, Dubai. My name is Popeye.
Excuse you, Rush. So we're really trying to get Rush to sit on the stroller.
this one is wrong.
Daddy. How are you gonna remove that, Daddy? Daddy, how are you gonna remove that? And is that trash can? Mika, this will off you. Mika, this is yours, it will off you. Oh, sorry. In the end, we couldn't get him in the stroller because the sunlight and stuff like that. So when Rush is comfortable and my dad's gonna move the thing he accidentally put in there, yeah, we can do it. Mika, stay on the side because there's a car coming by. Mika, what are you doing?
I'm tall now.
We're just in the shade. Daddy, can we go on the playground? Wow, they have a sand kind of playground. Is that the area and Kira come here sometimes to play? Or no? So we're walking on our way to the playground. That doesn't mean the camera must turn down eh. At least kanang sila yung sa Nikika.
There's a bigger playground.
Now you're just wearing your boxer shorts. Mommy really likes. Mommy, do you like the place here?
Yeah. You want us to live in Dubai or we go to Philippines?
I don't know. Yeah, but Ayana's gonna cry there.
How about you, Lantika?
I like the place here, man, but kanang.
So we go back.
But I like it here, man, but at least naami experience until like for like the whole month in December. And maybe there can be fireworks. Like, it's very open here, but naa sila fireworks. They have really rich car-looking cars. Mama, they all look like blocks. The houses here all look like blocks. By the way, sorry school that we cannot go to school today because our school is all the way in the Philippines. So they have this. Mama, all look at the grass. Even though the weeds look weird, they look really nice. The grass? Flowers? Oh. That's look like cactus.
Yeah?
Yeah, looks like cactus. Mika, they have skate parks. Mika, look here. They have skate parks here. They have some ramps so that like, the skateboarders can go there.
Spill my coffee.
Oh no. Wait, you're bringing me a coffee with you? Man, there's a car. Daddy, was this like the car park you were talking about? That's not allowed. Okay, this is not the place. Huh?
No, but it's not because allowed.
Oh, that's sad.
Maybe that'll be great, but it's okay.
What is this place here, Daddy? So, I think it's like a little water park here where the kids come here to swimsuit and play in the water. This is the basketball court. And this is the soccer field. Why is there basketball there? That's the soccer field. Who laughed?
Nobody did.
I think I heard a bird laugh. Daddy, we can't put the rush on the swing. Oh, never mind. We don't have like those baby swings here. These are the playgrounds. Those are some of our neighbors, I guess. Another swing set with some of our neighbors. Oh. The baby got stuck.
Wala. Hindi ka stuck.
Look at the rush. They're really scared, but it's okay. She can get down. Let's go over here, Daddy.
Daddy, show me, there's something. It's a big playground, but there's no seesaw.
Ito what?
Seesaw.
That's their seesaw. Yeah.
Let's try.
Is it sand? Okay, that's nice.
This is sand. Well, I can see anything.
Wait, Samika, wait.
Bro, just one. Oh, it's like this. Wow.
Wait, I'm holding the phone. You want to hold it? Let's not playing around.
Taller than me.
Wait, Mika, I can see your panty. You should.
Wait, let's go to the slide. Let's go to the slide first. Wait, slide. No, what will get is pumping my butt. What do you mean? I just pumped my butt. What?
Rush is also having the seesaw there. Yeah, maybe if Daddy is going to work and we got bored and we can come here to swim.
Wait, I want to go on this way.
Oh, good, it's not so deep. This is the park, the village park. Romel's, this is Romel's sister's village park at the house of where they belong. The village where their house belong. So they have this parks around.
Don't jump over it. But sometimes they hit their own.
Okay, in the middle. Go in the middle, I was swinging.
Wait! Dubai is so fun. We're gonna be on the same night.
But I think you're too heavy.
Daddy, you're too heavy!
Okay. You go this way. I will be the one to swing you. Okay, one, ha?
Oh, look at the story. It's so scary. It's so sad.
Okay,
Daddy,
1,
I think so.
2, 3,
It's getting so hard.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Scared si Rosh? You get scared. Katawa mo ganun hanggang. Hi, Rosh! Hi, Rosh! Si Pani yung nagbabol. Eh, stay ko na. Pwede mo naman ko muntiin. I-break? I-break imong tail ba? I-break imong tail para mo. Sabi kayo. Otherwise, sa belt. Ganos ako.
Yan, bigay, mag-ano pa sila.
Daddy's sleeper. That's why he let me hold the phone.
So yeah, Rosh was smiling. Okay, let me show you this place. Mika, wanna come to the parkour place? Follow me. This is a little ladder where you have to climb on. Wait, Mika, wait, one by one. Ouch, my back.
Bro. Oh my gosh, this is scary.
This is the little
No,
parkour
let's try
area.
this.
Mika, I'm too scared for that one.
Why?
I don't know, I don't like it.
Careful lang.
Mika's gonna try it.
You might stretch up your arms with that one. So heavy, and you're gonna exercise to do that one.
Okay, this is the slide. Mika, wanna... Mama's over there. Yeah, take this roller. Mika, wanna go on the slide? Huh? Yeah, there's a swimming pool. You wanna see the swimming pool, guys? Oh yeah, Rush can swim here. I guess it gets deeper. This is the swimming pool. Excuse me. Oh wait, there's a baby pool. Oh, okay.
Right, Rosh?
Mama, so we just borrow out the Aaron swimsuits?
Yeah.
Okay, Mika, can you video me? I wanna try.
If you fall down on your first try, it's okay. What was that? I don't like that.